Welcome to the ultimate showdown of AI video generators. Today, we're going to determine the best AI video generator using a quantitative technique called the weighted average decision matrix. Before we dive in, let's clarify. We're focusing solely on AI tools that create AI videos from text prompts and images. This means tools like InVideo and DID are out of the running. We're comparing three popular AI tools: Pika Labs, Runway ML, and Moonvalley. First, let's identify our comparison factors. I found four key aspects for comparison. 1. Video quality. 2. Pricing. 3. Features and control. 4. Ease of use. Next, we'll assign a weight to each factor. Video quality is really crucial, so it gets a 10. Pricing is significant, earning an 8. Features and control, which offer user flexibility, receive a 6. Ease of use is also important, getting a 6. Now let's rate each on a scale of 1 to 10. Let's begin. Video quality. Starting with Runway ML Gen 2, it creates decent videos, but often struggles with hands, faces, and eyes, leading to some inconsistencies. So, I'll rate it 8 out of 10. Pika Labs also faces similar issues when it comes to human faces and eyes, earning it an 8 out of 10 too. Moonvalley, however, excels in creating faces and other elements, though human motion can be odd. It gets a 9 out of 10. Pricing. Pika Labs and Moonvalley are free, so they both score a 10 out of 10. Runway ML offers 120 seconds of free generation before charging, but you can create new accounts to bypass this, so it gets 8 out of 10. Features and control. Runway ML excels here, offering object and camera motion control, style options, video upscaling, and more, including latest groundbreaking motion brush feature, which let you animate a part of image. It scores a perfect 10 out of 10. Pika Labs is more limited, offering basic controls and a fixed 3-second video length, so it gets 8 out of 10. Moonvalley provides good control over duration, style, and motion, but lacks aspect ratio control and video extension, earning it 9 out of 10. Ease of use. Runway ML is user-friendly. Just visit runwayml.com, sign up, and start exploring. It gets 10 out of 10. Pika Labs and Moonvalley use Discord for generation, which can be less convenient. Pika Labs allows private generation, earning it 9 out of 10, while Moonvalley requires public channel use, getting 8 out of 10. Now let's tally the scores. Runway ML, 264, Pika Labs, 256, Moonvalley, 272. The winner is Moonvalley, followed by Runway ML and Pika Labs. But the best choice depends on your needs and priorities. I hope this will be a valuable reference for your decision-making process. If you want to try any of the mentioned tools, check out my short tutorial videos linked in the description. Also, if you're interested in creating GPTs and monetizing them, check out my related video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.